class 7 and my school is JNP Dakshin Dinajpur. She is Shushmita Ravi, she is Sarjan Khatun, she is Shreyoshi Pramanik and she is Shreya Chakraborty. We represent automatic traffic signal. Nowadays we can see accidents on the high roads because people don't follow the traffic signals. In roadsides we can see the traffic signals. In traffic signals there are 3 colors: red, green and yellow. In traffic signals no policeman or man required. It can show us traffic signal automatically. When a car, there are many cars, they cannot go, so it turns into red color for stop. And then when it turns into green color, that means cars can go safely. And when it turns into yellow color, that means car should prepare for stop. That is traffic signals. We have prepared this model. Thank you.
ঠিক আছে।